Hi friends, this video shows how to enable or disable HDMI CEC. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go to display and sound. Select HDMI CEC. See, by default this would be enabled. I am going to disable HDMI CEC. Just press select button on the remote. Done. This way we can disable HDMI CEC. Let me enable. Again press select button on the remote. Done. This way we can enable or disable HDMI CEC. We can enable this option and control all devices connected to the TV via HDMI cable with a single remote controller. That is a feature. Using single remote controller, we would be able to turn on or off all devices connected to the TV via HDMI cable. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.